Right guys, let's talk about uMayogaty and i-success yakhe throughout nje umusic wamaskandi. So uMayogaty recently bekuwumuntu nje onganakekile, especially-ke njengoba-ke ekule ndima-ke kamaskandi-ke nokuthi-ke abantu abaningi bengamnakile just because-ke mhlampe kwesinye isikhathi bebey'tshela ukuthi-ke uwumuntu-ke oy'dlalelayo lapha ko-TikTok nani nani. So they never thought ukuthi-ke uwumuntu-ke o-serious ngomusic wawo-ke umaskandi up until kuze-ke kube ney'ngoma-ke lezi-ke adume ngazo-ke eziye zatrenda-ke kakhulukazi-ke kuwona-ke u-TikTok. So abantu-ke baqalile lapho-ke bamthatha serious and then-ke moving forward kodwa kokuningi nje ukuthi-ke aze abe kwibalazwe bebelokhu simazi-ke ngokuthi elokhu echwenzana laphayana-ke nomunye wabafowethu obizwa-ke Ngombeje naye who is an upcoming artist for wona-ke umaskandi. So uMayogaty-ke recently uye wawumuntu-ke omenywayo-ke ey'ndimeni-ke noma-ke ey'nkundleni ey'hlukahlukene, especially futhi nakhona lapha-ke kwenye-ke yama-reality TV shows efocus-e kakhulu-ke kubantu abaphila nesimo lesi-ke sothi-ke se-dwarfism, sokukhubazeka ngale ndlela-ke akhubazeke ngayo, yabo. So the reality TV star and maskandi artist obizwa-ke ngoMongezi uJama, also known as uMayogaty-ke babuye bambize-ke ngebhilisi likazwelonke, has been making waves ey'ndaweni-ke ey'hlukahlukene in both the reality TV and nakumusic futhi kakhulukazi njengoba egxile endimeni leyana-ke kamaskandi njengoba sesishilo. The youngster who is part of the reality TV show Short and Sweet, that's the name of i-TV show abuye-ke avele kuyona laphayana uMayogaty ibhilisi likazwelonke. So the reality TV show ogama layo Short and Sweet is not only captivating ama-audiences with his on-screen presence, but is also gaining recognition as an upcoming talent in the traditional Zulu music genre okuwona-ke umaskandi njengoba sesiye sasho. So kuyaqhubeka njalo nokuthi-ke uMayogaty-ke abe recognized-ke kakhulukazi-ke kuwona-ke umculo wakhe njengoba abantu abaningi bakhomba nokuthi-ke bayawuthanda, yabo. So if ever kukanjalo they will also like to know more about-ke impilo yakhe, his whereabout-ke ngokwe-career njalo njalo. So in an interview with iSunday World, uMayogaty also expressed how being part of the reality show has enabled him to demonstrate that individuals with dwarfism are just as capable as those that individuals with are just as capable as those without the condition. So nakhona-ke lapho bafethu-ke ubekucacisa ukuthi-ke njengoba-ke ekuyona i-industry abantu abaningi-ke vele abangaze bengabathatha serious-ke, especially abantu abaphila ngale ndlela naye-ke aphila ngayo noma ngaphansi kwayo, kodwa kulokhu-ke ubatshengisile ukuthi abantu-ke anything is possible regardless of indlela-ke mhlampe-ke noma isimo ophila ngaphansi kwaso-ke as a result of challenging societal perceptions. Njengoba-ke sengimchazelile bafethu ukuthi abantu baye bay'tshele ukuthi-ke izinto-ke ukwazi ukuzenza just because uphila ngaphansi kwesimo-ke esithile, kodwa phezu kwawo lawo ma-perceptions lawo uMayogaty uvele nje wakushaya konke lokho-ke wakwazi-ke ukuphumelela ngendlela naye afise noma-ke akade-ke engacabangi mhlampe ukuthi-ke engagcina ephumelele ngayo. So the Short and Sweet TV show follows the lives of individuals of short stature as they navigate their personal professional journeys. So naye-ke uMayogaty ungene kanjalo lapho. So kahle kahle kusho ukuthi i-show efocus-e vele-ke kubantu abaphila nesimo laphayana-ke sokuba babe bafishane ngale ndlela abafishane ngayo, yabo. So the music sphere, Mayogaty has rapidly gained a recognition in the maskandi genre, and lokhu futhi-ke akubuzwa since sike sambona nakwezinye-ke sey'ndawo. I don't know ukuthi bebekuphi, bebehlanganele kuphi laphayana, kodwa-ke ngimbone engathi ube no-Minister of Sport, Arts and Culture Mr. Gayton Mackenzie. So his journey into the music industry began kahle kahle-ke ngo-2018. Kwase kuthi-ke ngo-2020 the artist marked a significant milestone with the release of his debut album laphana-ke ititle yayo okwakuthi Utshwala Bomfana. i-album yakhe kushuthi leyo yokuqala. This was just the beginning, as he recently added to his collection of music with the release of an EP titled Osisi Basemzini. So uqhubeka nje, moreover the 22-year-old is set ngeke bafethu wazi wamncane lo mbhemi. Yazi mina-ke ngokubuka-ke yena bekitshela ukuthi hayi mhlampe umnumzane olapha ku-30 plus, kodwa-ke iminyaka yakhe iyangithusa kakhulu. So is set to captivate i-audience at the Ugatsheni Music Festival, njengoba-ke le festival izoba ikhona ngo-October mhlaka 5. So he is also scheduled to perform there at the 4th annual Ugu Maskandi Festival njengoba-ke ku-September ngomhlaka 28 futhi nakhona-ke kushuthi-ke uyobe ekhona. So uMayokathi-ke his transition from the reality TV to the world of music has been met with enthusiasm and support from fans and the industry alike, including the Minister of Sports njengoba-ke sengike ngasho, Art and Culture okuyena-ke uGayton McKenzie. So in a trending video on X siye sambona-ke njengoba ngike ngasho futhi ukuthi-ke ebepromisa laphana-ke uMayokathi-ke to invite him to the event that will be held khona laphana-ke eGauteng. So yena-ke kusho yena-ke uGayton McKenzie kumcaphuna nje kwakushilo uthena, we will book the flight and everything for you. The minister has promised-ke ipromisa yena-ke uMayokathi. So nizoyibona nje ividiyo, ngicela-ke niyibuke la ngasekugcineni la khona-ke uMayokathi ebehlangane khona-ke noGayton McKenzie. So bafethu siyayibongela le nsizwa, sifisele nabanye-ke abangafiki kuleli zinga abaqhubekayo kodwa-ke nokwenza-ke umsebenzi wabo ngokuyimisela ukuthi nabo-ke bangapheli mandla, bangapheli moya, because I'm sure njengoba nimbona naye uMayokathi ubelekwe ephushe njalo up to this level. Ekuyiyona-ke into kumele futhi abantu-ke ibaphushe ngendlela yokuthi-ke iyabanikeza-ke ukuba positive, iyabanikeza-ke umdlandla, iyabanikeza ugqozi njengoba-ke enzile noMayokathi up to this level. Bafethu ngibonge kakhulu for ukuthambela le video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, don't forget to like this video as well and share if you find the video informative. Unabanye-ke bazothola-ke into osuyitholile kuyona-ke. Ngibonge kakhulu bafethu. Dango.
I'm here with Mayokathi. Mayokathi is a Maskandi artist. Alright, I'm going to our next event. I'm going to invite him to our next event in Gauteng. We are also going to, they must pay him. You must not come for free. And then we will book the flights, everything for him. Yeah. Now give me a tune, let me hear it. Just one tune, let me hear it.
Can sing
Ingoma, anyone? I want to hear. 1 second.
Waswanko gelase Umayokathi wema Abla Imala Waswanko gelase Umayokathi wema Abla Imala.
Thank you very much. All right, man.